5 months after voters cast their ballots, election results for Coeur d'Alene City Council seat number 2 are still in dispute. Incumbent Mike Kennedy beat opponent Jim Brannon by 5 votes, but now Brannon is turning to the court. He's hoping a district judge will order a new election. KXY4's Tania Dall is live in Coeur d'Alene tonight to explain why. Tania?
Well, Mike and Robin, the man that's challenging this election says it's not about winning or losing or even the city council seat at this point. Brannon says that he's still fighting to ensure a fair electoral process, but not everyone agrees.
I am not a sore loser. It's not about who won. It is about the process.
Losing an election by 5 votes is never easy. Just ask Jim Brannon. He lost to incumbent Mike Kennedy in the closest Coeur d'Alene City Council race in decades. But instead of requesting a recount, Brannon is suing.
The recount would simply run the same ballots through the same machines by the same people. To expect a different result is probably would be a definition of insanity.
Brannon claims illegal voters slipped through the cracks during the November 3rd general election, and he's hired an attorney and a private investigator he says can prove it.
We have a state registration system that doesn't allow for us to record somebody as having voted twice.
The allegation doesn't sit well with the Kootenai County Elections Department and former election manager Dee Beard.
I conducted that city election, and I'm here to tell you that there was nothing in this office that was illegal.
Named in the original lawsuit were Kootenai County, the city of Coeur d'Alene, Mike Kennedy, and other candidates that ran in the race. After months of legal wrangling, Kennedy stands alone.
I regret the process by which a person can be sued personally just for winning an election.
As these 2 politicians spend personal dollars fighting this election dispute in court, it'll be up to an Idaho district judge to decide what happens next. So far, at least 3 judges have presided over this case, and a new hearing date has to be scheduled. And it is worth mentioning that the Kootenai County Elections Department did tell KXLY4 News that 1 questionable voter had been forwarded to the Kootenai County Prosecutor's Office, which is investigating the matter. Reporting live in Coeur d'Alene, Tania Dall, KXLY4 HD News.